Hello everybody and welcome to NEET Mentor. In this particular video, we will talk on clinical seats, particularly MDMS seats, MDMS clinical seats, not any diploma or any other seats. The seat that you are looking for, MDMS clinical seats. Okay. And the good news is that 4,148 seats got incremented this year for year of 2021 compared to last year, and we are expecting 4 more thousand seats, clinical seats, to get incremented, and totally 8 to 10,000 extra seats you can see just for clinical for the year of 2021. Okay, so this is the thing that we'll look into detail, and if you're new to the channel you can subscribe the channel. Please like the video, it gives us motivation to create such videos and get the information to you with all our hard work. You can share the video with others, and in the description you can find a link which you can click to join the Telegram group. You can download the ebooks which are really important for deemed universities, all the open states, a single ebook for all open states, where you can participate to get a private college in low budget. DNB counseling, there is separate ebook for all the hospitals. You can find the details there. They're listing last year cutoff and all other details, bond, stipend, such things. And there is paid counseling. Right now we are giving discount of 20%, so like few days only remaining we will having this offer. And as part of paid counseling, when you avail the service right from that day until you get a seat, we will be with you, and one of our counselor will be keep on contacting you and updating you for all the counseling process after discussion. And we support the counseling process of INICET, DNB, MDS, MS colleges, government, private and deemed universities, DNB diploma, CPS and FCPS courses. Okay, right now if you avail the service, we can also tell you based on your current preparation score how much rank you are going to get, and which are the government or private or deemed universities in your particular budget is possible, and for your particular choice of branches and in which states. So you have a clear vision what is going to happen with your current preparation. So let's jump to the section where we have the details about MDMS clinical seats. So when I say total MDMS clinical seats, it means government as well as private. Please note, government as well as private, both colleges I have added here. In last year the number of seats was 24,558 clinical seats. There were non-clinical seats, but I'm not talking about non-clinical seats in this video. And this year the total number of clinical seats as of now, as we can see the data available on nmc.org, 28,706, and total increment happened 4,148 so far, because every year colleges submit application. Okay, and on NMC you can find multiple portals, one for candidates or students, other for colleges, and third for professional doctors. Okay, so colleges have an option to submit an application to increase number of seats in existing branches, submit an application to add a new branch in the existing college, or submit an application to start PG course in existing MBBS colleges. So based on these applications, the concerned authority approves or declines based on their infrastructure on all other eligibility criteria, and the approval has come for many of the applications, and still many applications are awaited, and we will get a notification, and details will be available on nmc.org, and this data is based on that details only. So 3 to 4 thousand more MDMS seats, clinical seats, are waiting for approval, and totally we will have 8,000 plus clinical seats increment this year. And if you want to know totally MSMD seats, I had created separate video where I have given branch wide distribution for particular branch, how many seats are there all over India in how many colleges. Okay. And the new course that was launched, NB Diploma, right now we have 720 seats are already approved for it, and same like MDMS clinical seats, the accreditation and approval is still ongoing, and we will have more seats added. And in NB Diploma all the seats are from clinical branches, so that's also good thing. You have around 8,000 clinical seats here and more than 1,000 clinical seats in NB Diploma, and all good branches, top branches. So you have a pretty handsome chance in year of 2021 if you include DNB, FNB, CPS, FCPS, MSMD, PG Diploma, NV Diploma. The total number of seats is already crossing 60,000. Okay, and more seats will be added since 10% EWS reservation is already introduced and is going to be implemented from the current year, that is 2021. So government will add 10% extra seats for EWS categories, so you can expect that 10% extra seat to come. Okay, so totally we are having so many number of seats, and I am very much confident about getting 10% extra seat added for EWS category, because in the state level when they had implemented EWS quota, they had added additional 10% seats, and as per the Supreme Court, the reservation can't go beyond, total reservation can't go beyond 50%, and if you calculate including 10% EWS is going beyond 50%, so definitely they will increase seats. So there are multiple ways the seats are getting increased. You just need to understand, and you have to be very positive. The chances are very good that you get a good score and do the counseling in the best possible way. Don't take next chance, because you don't know next year you may have from 2023 you are going to get next, so it will have other complications. So as soon as you get admission into PG, it's going to be better for you. You do preparation best in best way, get the score, get your admit card, and then you come to us. Even you can come to us now also, you can avail our paid services, so that we assure that we do the counseling process in the best possible way, and you get best possible out of it based on your choices, your all preferences, state and other preferences. So that's it from our side, NEET Mentor side, in this video. If you have any kind of questions, you want to avail paid services with a discount, so you can come to us. We are ready to help you. So thanks for watching again, and all the best for your preparations, and take care of your health as well, because corona is still in market, it's not gone. Okay, so be careful, be healthy, and all the best for your preparations. Good luck.